So one of the problems with a content upgrade is firing the lead pixel event. That helps Facebook track your leads. So on a normal opt-in page, a person enters their name and email address and they're redirected to a thank you page, and that's where the lead pixel event is fired. However, with a content upgrade, meaning an embedded form from ConvertKit in the middle of your blog post, you want them to sign up. However, you don't want to take them to another page. You want them to continue reading. So as you can see here, when you load your form, the page view event is fired if your pixel is set up correctly. But now you can sign up, see the success message, and fire the lead event without them going anywhere. They're going to stay and continue to read your blog post. So to accomplish this, we're going to use the two little bits of code that are listed below this video. The first thing that we're going to do, and I'm using Divi for this example, is we're going to create our form in ConvertKit. In the settings, we are going to show a success message so it does not redirect. And we're going to click on Embed, and we're going to click on HTML and copy all of this code. So in Divi, we are simply going to go in and use two different elements. The first element is the code element, but we're not going to do that yet because we have the form code already copied to our clipboard. So we're going to drag in a text element. We're going to click on text on here, and we're going to paste this code in here, okay? So when we save and exit, we know that that is embedded into our form. Now it is going to work on a normal content upgrade, but that lead pixel event will not fire. So in the section of code number 1 below, you're going to copy it and you're going to drag a code element in here into Divi, and that's as easy as clicking on insert modules and choosing code. And you're going to paste code section number 1 here. Now, I just named this button click pixel fire, and that's okay. And you can see right here that we are tracking the lead pixel event. So after you paste that in there, the second bit of code is where you're going to paste it on your button element. So as you scroll through here in the top, you're going to see input input type first name. We're going to see your email address, and these are the two input areas on here. And right under that, we're going to find the button. Okay, so right here is where we are going to paste the second bit of code. Now, as I copy it and paste it from below, a couple of things may happen that you want to be aware of. Whenever you copy and paste, like from a PDF or sometimes a website, it changes these parentheses tags to look curly. So you're going to want to replace them with your keyboard. You can see that button click pixel fire is what I named the function in the code above. And we're going to save and exit. So this is code number 1, button click pixel fire. It's a JavaScript. This is code number 2, which is the code from your form with only the button edited, and it's right after the word button. We're going to make sure there's a space. We're going to paste this in there, make sure our parentheses are right, make sure there's a space, and then class. And when we go to preview the page, we'll let it load. We can see that the page view event will fire because our pixel is installed already. But when we enter our email address, we can see our success message, and when we use the Chrome Pixel Helper, we can see that the lead event did fire, yet they're on the same page so they can continue to read our blog post. If you have any questions, please just leave a comment or let me know.